Hello everyone, welcome to J Prakash HR Talk Show. And in this talk show today, our guest is Miss Honey Singh, and she is one of our payroll trainee. At present, she is working in one of the reputed organization, and that she has numbers of years experience. This talk show is going to be a lot of beneficial to all my viewers, those who want to be HR professional, those who want to develop their career in the HR domain. Welcome, Honey, to our talk show. And you today you are one of my special guests, and today you are going to share a lot of information to all of my viewers. So, Honey, first, please tell me brief about yourself, about your qualification at present. What are you doing right now? Then after that, a lot of queries. I have a lot of questions I have, and I believe that you are going to tell me in a very spontaneous way answer of all those questions.
Surely. So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this platform to introduce myself and to share my journey of the life. And yeah, secondly, now regarding my particular profile, I would like to let you know that I am right now I am a working professional. I'm an MBA graduate. I have been passed out in 2016, 2018, 16, 18, and I have completed my education journey was still there. After that, I've started my work profile initially with the sales and development profile, and then I realized that after having an experience of 4 months, I should move to my passionate area, my HR domain, for which I have actually enrolled myself in the MBA HR profile.
You want to change your domain also, and for that regarding came here to do the payroll training program in our institute also. So when you realize that and at what situation, so that because numbers of aspirants, those who are HR freshers, they always have a query that when they need to do the payroll training, and at what status they need to do, or in the beginning or in the mid. So I think those queries you can solve, and with the help of this interaction, they can also solve their queries. So at what stages you realize that you need to do the payroll training program? And not only that, one thing's more, you tell that as a freshers, when someone join for the payroll training.
Surely. So first of all, I would like, so first of all, for your first query, I would like to let you know that yes, one should definitely start with the scratch in the HR domain, which is a recruitment. But in my case, what I felt was after completing my 3 years, in the HR recruitment part, I realized that now is the best time to move ahead in my life, and that's the reason I have joined I4Best for this particular payroll training, so that I can go ahead in future. I can definitely go ahead and get myself a good opportunity in a very good reputed company for this particular HR domain. And I think this training is right now giving me an opportunity to work in my current organization as an HRMS executive. It is helping me a lot, and I think this was the best decision to take the training at this particular time, where I have somehow somewhere I've got the opportunity to go ahead with this.
So yes, one should realize जो बहुत क्रूशियल बहुत राइट टाइम पे आपने एनरोल किया। मींस आपका फ्यूचर का प्लान तो है ही, साथ ही करंट में भी आपको बेनिफिट मिल रही है इससे, द प्रमोशन व्हिच यू गॉट एंड देयर आल्सो
ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था। एग्जैक्टली सर, ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था। दिस इज बाय लक।
Okay, this is a great thing. So this is really, I'm also feeling very good to know about this, that at present you are utilizing all those knowledges which you are gaining in the I4Best at present, that you are utilizing in your current work also. So this is a great thing. It giving me immense pleasure, because once I'm putting efforts, and that is going to be utilized in a better way, so then certainly ये बहुत ही खुशी की बात।
Training in I4Best, what I actually felt was here personal attention has always been given to each and every student, which is, I guess, in other institute is lagging behind, which I really liked about I4Best, because every individual, in my case also, I would say that I have been asking a number of questions to my mentor, and he has never ever hesitated in order to give me an answer on it. And he has always appreciated, to even all foolish question, I have been appreciated that you have put this question in front of everyone, I should rather give you this particular answer so that you also understand, what are the points of inputs I am getting from the training and all that. So that's what I felt. I mean, there I feel that, this is the best platform to share all the questions and get the knowledge about that particular questions, be it sensible, be it, stupid or silly questions. But yes, of course, that's where I think we do a trial and error and learn something. हम हमारी गलतियों से ही सीखते हैं. So that's
Correct.
how.
Totally
And
agree.
I always get motivated from I4 Best regarding this particular thing, that I can ask anything and everything related to the course and I will be getting an answer, चाहे वो कितना भी stupid question क्यों ना हो. So
नहीं,
that's where
ऐसा
I
नहीं है,
find
मैं
कि
आपको
ये
बता
बहुत
दूं
ही अच्छा है.
हनी, वन थिंग्स आई विल टेल यू दैट आप जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, और जो पूछती
Yes.
हैं, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस ऐसा नहीं है जो छोटा होता है. कोई भी क्वेश्चंस ऐसा मैं नहीं बोलूंगा जो जिसकी वो वैल्यूलेस है. सारे क्वेरीज जो भी हमारे अंदर क्यूरियोसिटी होती है, जो भी हमारे पास एक क्वेरी होता है, कहीं ना कहीं उसका सॉल्यूशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. और वो चीजें, और हर क्वेरीज को मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल समझता हूँ. तो
Yes.
आपकी जो
Yes.
भी क्वेरीज था वो सारे काफी, और मेरा ये फर्ज भी बनता है, मेरी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि आपकी जो भी क्वेरीज हो उसको मैं राइट वे में उसको सॉल्व करूं.
As a recruiter, if you want to switch from recruitment to payroll, you definitely need to have a bit of idea about PF and ESI, at least the basics, so that the person can understand what in the training, if the person is getting a training from I4 Best, the person can easily understand, like the way I have easily understood what
Yeah,
the
correct.
elaboration it is. And secondly, yes, Excel is very, very important. Someone who being a fresher or being a recruiter would like to join as a fresher in the payroll department, Excel is extremely important. So the person has to have an idea about the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP part as well, which I've felt, and I have also learned that in my journey.
Viewers, I'll tell you that this is one of the best advice that you all are getting from our guest, Miss Honey. Means she is going to tell you that, again I'm repeating this, that and because it is a very important thing, that's why again I'm going to just repeat it, that first of all, that if you want to be the payroll professional, if you want to learn the payroll, so then you must have some basic idea. And as she told that she earlier, at present also she is handling the HR activities, and numbers of queries she has, numbers of interaction with the candidates and professionals. So with the help of that, she knew earlier about the PF, ESIC and CTC structure. These are the basic ideas she has. And even after that, now those all ideas is helping her to learn in a better way completely payroll training program. And at that also she is going to do very well, because that also I'm realizing. So the guys, this is the one things that you all have to keep in mind, that you try to clear your basic concept. Is it, Honey?
Yes, sir.
एडवाइस चाहूंगा जो आप मेरे ट्रेनीज को, जो I4 Best में एट प्रेजेंट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वी आर रनिंग द नंबर्स ऑफ कोर्सेज, और HR generalist, advanced HR practical training program also we are providing those who are taking the 6 months training program, and diploma in payroll also we have, certification in payroll also we have. So numbers of courses we have, and numbers of students are at present taking training. और especially जितने भी सारे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो बहुत ही सीरियसली वीडियो वॉच करते हैं, क्योंकि वो अभी I4 Best से इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो I4 Best की कोई भी अपडेट्स को बहुत ही थॉरली वॉच करते हैं, देखते हैं. तो उन लोगों को आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे, स्पेशली मेरे ट्रेनीज को?
टिप्स में मैं यही दूंगी, सर जो भी टास्क दे प्लीज कंप्लीट कर लो, बिकॉज एट द एंड ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है. एंड यस, प्लीज बी रेगुलर एंड पंक्चुअल इन योर क्लासेस, बिकॉज ये चीज बहुत मैटर करता है. बाद में ठीक है आप नोट्स ले सकते हो, आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग, ये ऑब्वियसली अवेलेबल है नोट्स, but का interaction is something which is very very helpful. मतलब वहां पर ही हम गलत क्वेश्चन या कुछ चीजें हमारी गलत कॉन्सेप्शन है वो हम वहीं पे क्लियर करते हैं.
राइट,
so that's what.
तो ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बताया, जो इंटरेक्शन करना बहुत जरूरी है. आप इंटरेक्ट कीजिए, जो भी क्वेरीज है वो क्वेरीज आप सॉल्व कीजिए. आपके हर क्वेरीज का सॉल्यूशन आपको मिल जाएगा, बस आपको केवल क्वेरी करनी है, आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, और जब क्वेरी सॉल्व होता है तो तब ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी डेवलपमेंट आती है. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने हमारे ट्रेनिंग्स के लिए एक टिप्स दिया, जो गाइस आई वांट टू टेल टू एवरीवन दैट हनी यहाँ पे एक बातें बता रही है, फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. जो आप लोग ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेनिंग आप क्वेरी जो भी आपके आए वो क्वेरीज को आप सॉल्व करें, और साथ ही क्वेरीज कब आएंगे, जब आप प्रोएक्टिव रहेंगे। मीन्स प्रोएक्टिव मीन्स दैट द ट्रेनिंग विच इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ, जो भी चीजें मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ उसके अलावा उस पर खुद से भी आप थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा खुद से एफर्ट्स डालिए, थोड़े से स्टडी कीजिए। प्रोएक्टिव मीन्स दैट यू आर पुटिंग द एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स फॉर दैट, तो देन यू नो लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज विल कम टू यू, है ना हनी, ऐसा होता है?
यस यस यस,
राइट,
डेफिनेटली वो तो
जब
होगा ही सर।
वो तो होगा ही, बिल्कुल सही है। जब हमारे पास क्वेरीज रहेंगे
क्वेरी
तो
तो आएंगे।
then certainly that जब हम
यस
extra
सर।
efforts डालेंगे तो queries तो आएंगे ही। Guys, this is all about today's talk show, and today Hani shared a lot of meaningful information to all of you. Please watch videos time to time again and again. Then only you can realize small points, that how that points are going to be beneficial for your future professional development.